Hi guys, it's Remy, math person, so I'll be going over question 209 on SO exam P. So pause video quick and try this problem yourself. Okay, so let's just dive right in. So they're saying the expected value of this claim payment is equal to 30 after the deductible. So let's say this is 60, this is 200, and this is 3,000. So expected payment, claim payment would be, so like expected amount would just be, the expected amount is equal to the probability, which we know is 0.1 for this one. Let's just first think of it like normally with just one. So if this is a deductible, anything before deductible, the company pays 0 because the customer is paying for the whole thing. But everything after the deductible, they're paying for the loss, which is X, minus the deductible, which is D. So let's say if the igniter switch needs to be replaced at $60, if it breaks, if the deductible is here for say, the claim payment will be 60 minus D. So it'll be 60 minus D. And likewise, it's going to be the same for all of these. So it's going to be 210 minus D plus 0.01 times 30,000 minus D. And this is equal to 30. Okay, but the thing is, we know the deductible can't be less than 60 because that's not one of the choices, right? So then if deductible has to be like at least 100, right? Because that's the first deductible here. So if it's 100, no matter what happens to the igniter switch, the insurance company is not going to pay for it. Because if it costs $60 to replace it, this is all coming out of their pocket, the customer's pocket. So if deductible is less than 60, which is not even a choice, then we know that this is just going to be 0. So then now, if we consider cases where deductibles from 100 to 250, so then the expectations just going to be equal to 0.05 times 200 minus D plus 0.01 times 3,000 minus D is equal to 30. So 200 times 0.05 is equal to 10, so you get 10 minus 0.05 D plus 30 minus 0.01 D is equal to 30. The 30s and the 30s just makes a 0. I can send this over to the other side. 0.060. So D is equal to 166.66 repeating, which is at least 150 but less than 200. Answer C. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Otherwise, as always, make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Bye!